Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Exquisite Floral Design, and I will be starting a new series, and it's going to tell you all about wiring services. In this series, it is a paid subscription. It's going to be $24.99 a month, and you will get a video each week on wiring services, gathering services, how to make an arrangement that will be profitable to you without getting complaints from the customer. You're also going to learn how to make a floral refrigerator for only $500. I did it. Mine is kind of big because you guys know I'm also a floral designer. And then what else will I'm going to be teaching you? How to make flower arrangements, and how to set everything up. What else am I going to be teaching you? Oh, why do you guys feel that I am able to do this? So you guys know I've been in the floral, floral industry for 15 years, probably 16. Oh no, let me see, I started in 05. So, oh my gosh, it's almost 20 years. Oh, I feel old. And then anyway, and then also I am a credentialed teacher. I do have a master's in education. So I teach math, and so my mind knows how to break everything down so that you guys can be able to understand and how to be profitable in 2024 and stay at home and make some money. And you will also get one 15-minute session per month, and in that session you'll be able to ask me. You're going to be able a Zoom meeting. You're going to be able to talk with me, pick my mind on what you need to know and what I can do for you to make sure that you are making that money. And you guys know, if you watch any of my videos, I tell you everything. I'm trying to make sure that you make it in this flower industry. So ladies, don't forget to like and subscribe, and then also join my my paid prescription series on wiring services. You're gonna learn how to do it. I've been doing it since September. Let me tell you, Thanksgiving is crazy. Thanksgiving was crazy. Christmas was crazy, and Valentine's Day, if you sign up and start now, my first series is going to tell you about wiring services and how to get set up. It's going to tell you about the gathering services out there. It's going to tell you, on my next video is going to tell you how to set everything up. The next one is going to tell you how to create your floral refrigerator with $500. And then Telefloral, I think it took me about a month. Bloomnet.net, it took me probably a month. They were kind of slow. And FTD, I don't really deal with them, but it didn't take that long for FTD also to sign me up. What's another vendor? Oh, those are the main wiring services. You're gonna be overwhelmed with the business. So anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, and I'm excited to have you join me in this journey of flowers. Bye.